Hey guys, welcome to our classroom. Strange talk. A little green frog lived under a log, and every time he spoke, instead of saying good morning, he only said croak croak. A duck lived by the waterside. A little did he lack, but when we asked, "How do you do?" he only said quack quack. A little pig lived in a sty, as fat as he could be, and when he asked for dinner, he cried aloud, "Wee wee!" Three pups lived in a kennel and loved to make a row, and when they meant, "May we go out?" they said, "Wo, wo, wo." If all these animals talked as much as little girls and boys, and all of them tried to speak at once, wouldn't it make a noise? New words instead: बजाय, lack, कमी, sty यानी शुअरशाला, kennel यानी कुत्ता का घर, row यानी पंक्ति, meant यानी मतलब. Reading is fun. Are these sentences true or false? ये सेंटेंस सही है या गलत बताइए. A little green frog said quack quack. Frog यानी मेढक quack quack कहता है? नहीं, false है ये. A little pig loved to make a row. छोटे सुअर पंक्ति में रहते हैं? नहीं ना, ये भी false है. A duck only said croak croak. क्या बतख केवल croak croak कहता है? नहीं, ये भी false है. A pig cried aloud, wee wee. Pig ऐसा ही चिल्लाता है, ये true है. Let's talk. Seema talks a lot and her brother calls her talkative. Do you think Seema should talk? सीमा बहुत बात करती है और उसका भाई उसे बातूनी कहता है. आप बताइए, क्या सीमा को बात करना चाहिए? When the teacher is teaching in class. जब टीचर क्लास में पढ़ा रही हो? नहीं ना, नहीं बात करनी चाहिए. On the playground. प्लेग्राउंड में बात कर सकते हैं. While she is eating. खाते वक्त बात करनी चाहिए? No. When mother asks her about what happened in school. जब उसकी माँ पूछे कि स्कूल में क्या हुआ है, तब बताना चाहिए, तब बात करनी चाहिए. कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन विद द वर्ड्स इन द बॉक्स. इन क्वेश्चंस को कंप्लीट करिए इन वर्ड्स की हेल्प से. व्हाट इज योर नेम? हाउ ओल्ड आर यू? व्हाट डू यू प्ले? वेयर डू यू लिव? Take the correct word. सही वर्ड चुनिए. We did not shout in the class. Shout यानी चिल्लाना. Do you like to drink water? यानी पानी. He tried to climb the tree. Will you please help me? I can see with my eyes. The wise owl. A wise old owl lived in an oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he heard. Why can't we all be like that wise old bird?